3 reasons to invest in a sunroom for your home today. Meet the Sunroom, the sophisticated way to bring more comfort and joy to every day. With easy installation and versatility, a sunroom is a smart choice for expanding your living space. Here are 3 reasons to invest in a sunroom for your home today. Enjoy family time away from the TV. Imagine gathering in a fabulous sunroom to play board games, eat dinner, or hang out together as a family. With space to gather that's comfortable, bright, and cheery, the whole family will want to spend quality time together. With natural light, the sunroom will likely replace the kitchen or living room as the favorite room in the house. Installation is quick and painless. Once you invest in something extraordinary for your home, waiting for it to be ready is never fun. In many instances, a quality, high-grade sunroom can be installed and ready to use normally in just a matter of days. And with year-round use, the sunroom is always available regardless of the weather. Enjoy outdoors without UV damage. Sometimes the best way to enjoy the outdoors is with a little protection. Sitting in the sunroom is relaxing, but it's tough to relax knowing too many rays can damage your skin. Quality sunrooms are designed to be UV resistant, meaning you can stretch out and soak in all the rays with peace of mind and confidence. So go ahead, relax in style. You deserve it. Turn your backyard patio or deck into a year-round family room, playroom, home office, or even a workout area. To learn more about the benefits of owning a sunroom, pergola, screen room, or patio cover, or to get a price estimate, give us a call or visit our website at sleepycreeksunrooms.com.